Hey there guys, so if you remember that Arctic Cat 400 shifting issues video I came out with about a month or so ago, well, I finally figured out what the problem is, and it is a very simple problem that I should have noticed it before, but you know, you just overlook small problems like that. So anyway, let me show you what it is. So a couple of weeks after I posted that video, I actually removed the clutch cover here and went inside, and I took the whole shift shaft, drum star assembly and everything, took it all apart, took the clutches off and everything, cleaned them all up, actually smoothed the shift claw out a little bit with the Dremel because it did feel a little bit rough. Double check, triple check, quadruple check how the part Zilla instructions were, put it all back together. I made a big oil spill, so I spilled about half the oil, so I put Valvoline 1040 in it. And yeah, it seemed to do a little bit better. I readjusted the clutch and everything, but it was still kind of hanging up. But here's what I did. These bolts right here, there and there, this one wasn't really a problem. I just kind of added it to make it shift a little bit smoother. But this one right here, I drilled a hole and I put a bolt through it because without it, I noticed that when I shifted, there was like, it seemed like the shifter would move way more than what it was supposed to move. So right now we're in neutral. So they can see it click right in. But before that bolt was there was tons of just, it went on like way on past that. But I have it adjusted to where it just clicks in. And then you got a little bit extra free play to make sure it goes fully into gear. There is an internal stop in the transmission, but what I think the problem was, it was allowing a little bit too much movement back and forth. Because sometimes when I would shift from second to third gear, once in a blue moon, it would skip up to like fourth gear for a little bit and then drop back into third. So the more I thought about it, the more that I thought, yeah, I think the shifter was moving way too far and it must have gotten kind of hanging up in third gear for some reason. But now since I put this stopper in here, I've driven around quite a bit, high and low range, and so far it has not hung up in third gear. It all shifts smoothly. So yeah, this is just a follow-up video of that original video I posted. This is the answer and solution I have. So pretty much if you have any transmission like that, or ATV transmission, motorcycle transmission that's kind of hanging up like that, like this one was, 9 times out of 10 is probably pushing the shift claw too far. Now, if it's not pushing it far enough, let's say it was too short, you might try clicking it into gear, and when you're coming out, it's still in the same ratio, like, you know, still in second gear if you're trying to go to third or something. But anyway, hopefully this was the only problem, and hopefully this is all fixed and not gonna happen anymore. It was really annoying, especially when I wanted to just drive it around and kind of have fun on the trails and hanging up in third gear and crap, because that was really annoying. I am working on a video right now of replacing the rear CV axles and axle seal and wheel bearings because, yeah, the rear end on this definitely needed a rebuild. I already got a new axle in. Yeah, there's a reason why this video is taking so long. I still hadn't even put that one in yet, but I'll save all that for the video.